It's no secret by now that Tesla is gearing up to revamp its most affordable EV, the Model 3, which is set to go in production in middle of 2023. There are a lot of speculations about the design and the features coming to the newly redesigned Model 3 under these cover-up pictures. So today in this video, we're going to quickly talk about the features coming to the Model 3 and why Tesla is redesigning this car after 7 years. So let's get into it. By the way, my name is Moni here at Money Host, where I talk about investing, credit card, and Tesla. The Model 3 was launched back in mid-2017, and since then, a lot has happened. Tesla has learned so much about designing and producing cars since then. The Model Y, the Cybertruck, and Tesla Semi were launched. However, for the Model 3, Tesla is still using the design they came up with in 2016. And fast forward all these years, Tesla launched Project Highland, which is a code name to redesign the Model 3. The newly redesigned Model 3 should hit the production sometimes in Q2 of 2023. So as part of this redesign, what exactly is Tesla changing and why? Well, first let's talk about why Tesla is redesigning the Model 3 after 7 years, and then we can get to what exactly are they changing. You see, there are two main reasons behind this completely redesigned Model 3. You see, in order to qualify for the federal EV tax credit of $7,500 that is in the Inflation Reduction Act, the manufacturer's suggested retail price, or the MSRP, for a brand new sedan has to be less than $55,000 to fully qualify for the EV tax credit of $7,500. And the Tesla Model 3 long range currently costs $57,990, and the performance version currently costs $66,990. So the long range version is $3,000 above the $55,000 limit set by the Inflation Reduction Act. And Tesla obviously does not want the Model 3 to be left out from qualifying for the full $7,500 tax credit. So one way Tesla can help Model 3 qualify for the full $7,500 tax credit is by reducing the price of the Model 3 by exactly $3,000, which will bring it to $54,990. But that would reduce Tesla's margin, and I think Tesla would want to avoid that, especially during this high inflationary period. So instead, they're redesigning the car to reduce the cost of production, which in return should make it easier and faster for Tesla to produce them and reduce their overall cost. Plus, the Model 3 was designed back in 2016. And Tesla has learned and implemented innovative ways to design and produce cars, and implemented so many different ways to automate manufacturing process at their factories. More than likely, I'm thinking Tesla might price this at $54,990, just $10 below the limit. So they're redesigning this car to use fewer components and improve production efficiency, not because they think it's an old car, an old design, and they want to give it a fresh look. I think this is a great strategy by Tesla to re-engineer the car, to update the structure of the car to reduce the overall cost. So it will be really beneficial for Tesla to ensure that Model 3 qualifies for the full $7,500 EV tax credit for the next several years. Plus, now that Tesla has Giga Austin and Berlin running at near full capacity, Tesla can afford to stop the Model 3 production line and implement some of the manufacturing efficiency and cost reduction innovation that they have learned from the Model Y production. Then we have this mysterious covered up Model 3 running around in California. It seems like Tesla is covering up the front and the rear bumper along with the back and headlights. So while Tesla is re-engineering the car anyway, it seems like they are implementing the FSD 4.0 hardware on the Model 3. As part of the FSD 4.0, Tesla is using a newer sensor and improved higher resolution cameras for the vision system. So Tesla might be or could be implementing a newer sensor or additional cameras built into the headlight or the rear lights. And more than likely, they might tweak minor things here and there for the most part, but this redesign is completely more of an engineering change, so don't expect a brand new looking or refreshed Model 3 anytime soon. And if I made it this far into the video, please consider smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.